In objective, we have to write down the detailed solution. So let me read the question. If 2 plus root 5 upon 2 minus root 5 is x and 2 minus root 5 upon 2 plus root 5 is y, then the value of x square minus y square is 134 root 5, 144 root 5, 441 root 5, 341 root 5. Second question, solve the linear equation x minus 2y is minus 3, 2x is equal to 3y, a is equal to 6, y is equal to 6, b is equal to 6, y is equal to 9. C, x is equal to 9, y is equal to 6, d, x is equal to 9, y is equal to 9. Then third, find the value of 3 sin square 30 degree plus 2 tan square 60 degree minus 5 cot square 45 degree. Option A, 2 is to 1 by 2, 3 is to 1 by 3, 4 is to 1 by 4, 5 is to 1 by 5. A is 60 degree, B is 30 degree, then the value of tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B is 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 3, 1 upon root 5, 1 upon root 7. Then you are given a right angle triangle, angle B is reference angle, opposite side is 10, hypotenuse is 10 root 2, then the value of B is 45 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So take 5 minutes. After 5 minutes we will discuss the solution. And since your examination is near, coming Saturday I think it will start. So nobody will do any mistake, so that you will get full confidence for the coming examination. Okay. So take care of this. Your confidence level should be high. Confidence level should be high. Okay. Your confidence level should be high. Third one. Three, chalo, three. One minute. Chalo, let me make it minus 2 1 by 2, minus 3 1 by 3, minus 4 1 by 4, minus 5 1 by 5. Now? Yes, Tanvi Patel, now? You will get the answer? Yes, Tanvi Patel, now you will get the answer. Tanvi Patel, what answer? Okay, chalo, ठीक. 2 more minutes. After that 2 minutes we will discuss. After 2 minutes we will discuss the solution. See, all the revision video I have shared in the group as well as I have uploaded on the YouTube. So go through the revision videos, go through the lecture videos on YouTube as well as in the group. So for maths revision, go through all the videos, then only you will have a clear understanding. Yes, one more minute. Chalo, one more minute. Today Navratri is Today Navratri Ashtami is there. All of you take the blessing of Durga Mata. Request her to shower the blessings of happiness, joy, prosperity, wisdom over all of you. And for the happiness of your family member also, you should pray God, Lord Durga. Your parents are taking a lot of effort in giving you a quality education. So you should pray Lord Durga to make your parents happy. Chalo, 1 minute. Over? Chalo, let us send me the answer of first. Chalo. First answer. हाँ, फर्स्ट आंसर भेजो चैट में, चैट बॉक्स. सतीश पटेल बी, तन्वी पटेल बी, अंशु पटेल बी, सरिता गुप्ता बी, राज चावड़ा बी, अनुश्री मिश्रा बी, देवी बी, आर्यन पटेल बी, ऋषभ गठानी बी, ओके. मीत राठौड़ बी, केनिल प्रजापति बी, वेरी गुड केनिल. केनिल प्रजापति बी, ओके. B means 144 root 5. Okay. B means 144 root 5. Okay, so when you will rationalize the denominator, it will be 2 plus root 5 square. 2 plus root 5 square, that will be 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 4 root 5. And when you will rationalize this, y will be 9 minus 4 root 5, correct? What is x plus y? X plus y. Then when you will find xy, what will be xy? X square minus x plus y. X plus y will be 18, and x minus y. X minus y will be 8 root 5. 8 root 5. X square minus y square. No, x square minus y square, you can write x minus y into x plus y. So when you will find upon minus 1, yes, minus 1. And this will be minus 1, yes. So this will be upon minus 1. This will be minus 9, minus 4 root 5. Okay. This will be minus 9 plus 4 root 5. Okay. So when you find x plus y, it will be minus 18. X minus y will be minus 8 root 5. Okay, so minus into minus plus, 18 into 18, 144 root 5. Yes, very good. So 144 root 5 is the correct option. Option number B. Okay. So option number B, 144 root 5 is the correct answer. So this was difficult one, but all of you have attempted nicely. 144 root 5. So we are very much happy today. Tell, send me the answer of second. Second answer, Satish Patel C. Okay, Tanvi Patel C. Raj Chavda C. Anshu Patel C. Anushree Mishra C. Anushree Mishra C. Aryan Patel C. Rishabh Gathani C. Meet Rathod C. Sarita Gupta C. Sarita Gupta C. C means x is 9, y 6. Okay, this option you all of you are telling, let us verify. X minus 2y is minus 3 and 2x minus 3y is 0. 2x minus 3y is 0. Okay. So make coefficient of x equal multiply by 2, 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 6. Minus 6. Subtract minus plus minus. Okay, 2x minus 2x 0. Minus y is equal to minus 6. So y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6. So 2x is equal to 3 into 6, 18. X is equal to 18 by 2. X will be 9. X is 9, y is 6. X is 9, y is 6. Which is your option number C? X is 9, y is 6. Which is your option number C? Okay. So C option is correct. C option is correct. X is 9, y is 6. X is 9, y is 6. X is 9 and y is 6. So cross multiplication method, elimination by equating coefficient method, and elimination by substitution method. There are three methods to solve linear equations. If it is asked solve the linear equation, then you can use any method. But suppose in the objective, if it is asked use cross multiplication and solve, then that is the only method by which you have to solve. Otherwise, you will get 0 mark. Okay. Chalo, send me the answer of third. Not getting. Let me verify. Tanvi Patel C. Sarita Gupta C. Okay, Rishabh Gathani C. Anushree Mishra C. Meet Rathod C. Raj Chavda C. C answer means minus 4 is to 1. Let us verify. 3 sine square 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square. Plus 2 tan square 60 degrees. Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 square. Minus 5 cot 45 degree. Cot 45 is 1 upon tan 45, which will be 1 square. So 3 by 4 plus 2 into 3, 6 minus 5. So 3 by 4, 6 minus 5 is 1. 3 plus 4, 7 by 4. 7 by 4 is 7 by 4. Yes. 1 whole 3 by 4. Yeah. 1 whole 3 by 4 means 7 by 4. Yes. None of the option was there. So if the option is none of these, then that was the option. Okay. So option is, we have changed the option. We have written 1 is to 3 by 4. 7 by 4 is the correct answer. Very good. So how others have written C? Because I have changed the question C. Anyhow. Fourth one. Send me the answer of fourth one. Tane minus Satish Patel B. Sarita Gupta B. Raj Chavda B. Meet Rathod B. Aryan Patel B. Anushree Mishra B. And Meet Rathod B. Anybody else? Tanvi Patel B. Meet Rathod, lock option B. Yes, anybody else? Otherwise, I will go with Meet Rathod. He is requesting to lock option. Rishabh Gathani B. Okay, B. B means 1 by root 3. Let us verify. 1 by root 3 is the answer. Tan 60. So tan 60 minus tan 30 upon 1 plus tan 60, tan 30. Tan 60, tan 30. Tan 60 is root 3 minus tan 30, 1 by root 3 upon 1 plus root 3 into 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 get cancelled. Root 3 into root 3 will be 3 minus 1 upon root 3 upon 1 plus 1 2. So root 3 will go in the denominator. 3 minus 1 2. 2 upon root 3 divided by 2. The same as 2 upon root 3 multiplied by reciprocal 1 by 2. 2 2 get cancelled, answer is 1 by 2. 1 by root 3 means option number B. Okay. 1 by root 3 means option number B. Option number B is the correct option, which is 1 by root 3. Option number B. Now 10th standard classes have been started. 10th standard students, they are coming to the school. Okay. So more chances are there that your classes may happen after. Chalo. Mute the microphone. Chalo, send me the answer of fifth answer. Satish Patel A, 45 degrees. Satish Patel A, Meet Rathod A, Sarita Gupta A, Tanvi Patel A, Raj Chavda A. Raj Chavda A. Yes, anybody else? Aryan Patel A, Meet Rathod, lock option A. Ravina Chaudhary A. Okay. Ravina Chaudhary A. Okay. A means 45 degree. Let us verify. B is my reference angle. Opposite is 10 and hypotenuse is 10 root 2. Opposite and hypotenuse, which ratio we consider? Opposite and hypotenuse, sine. So sine B is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite is 10, hypotenuse is 10 root 2, 10 get cancelled, 1 upon root 2. Sine of which angle is 1 upon root 2? 45 degree. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. That means my angle B is 45 degree. B is 45 degree, which is the option number A. A means 45 degree is the correct option. So B is 45 degree is the correct option. Let me do one more problem. Sixth problem. You are given a triangle. Okay. Triangle. This is B, perpendicular. Perpendicular this side, perpendicular this side. This is B. This is A, B, P, Q. Then P is given 30 degree, P is given 30 degree, Q is given 45 degree, Q is given 45 degree, and AB is 150 meter. AB is 150 meter. AB is 150 meter. Then find PQ. Find PQ. Okay, find PQ. Option A. Find PQ. Option A. 409.8 meter. 409.8 meter. B. 490.8 meter. C. 409.12 meter. D. 490, 409, 940.8 meter. Then seventh question. So be careful in dealing with this type of problems. Wherever the answers are very close. Okay. Find the mean of the following data. Find the mean of the following data. Find the mean of the following data. Find the mean of the following observations. Find the mean of the following observations. Now observations are 35, 48, 35, 48, then 92, 76, 92, 76, 92, 76, 64, 52, 64, 52, 51, 63, 51, 63, 51, 63, and 71. And 71. Option A is 16.33. Option B 13.66. Option C 61.31. Option D 61.33. Okay. Solve this. Try to solve as many as problems. Then only you will get the confidence. Okay, so enough practice you require. So being a student, you should never feel laziness. Laziness is not the characteristic of a student. Okay, in Sanskrit, you may not have studied Sanskrit. And in Sanskrit, there is one quote. Swan Nidra, Bako Dhyanam Kakchista. These are the characteristics. Swan Nidra. Swan means you have to sleep just like a dog. If you pass nearby the dog, sleeping dog, he will awake. Swan Nidra. Then Bako Dhyanam. Bako Dhyanam means there is one species called Bagula. Okay. When he is fishing in the pond, he is seeing up, but whenever the fish passes nearby, he catches the fish. So he is having that type of concentration. Then Kak Chesta means you have to be clever just like a crow. Okay, if you just try that you are going to hurt the crow will run away. So crow is very much clever. There is one story, Thirsty Crow. So these are the characteristics of a student. Okay, sometimes you are sleeping. The whole building will come to make you awake. You will not awake. So these are not the characteristics of a student. Chalo, find the median of the data. Find the median of the following observations. Find the median of the following observations. Find the median of the following observations. Median of the following observations. 1, 2, 3. 172. 172. 172. 236. 236. 324. 324. 418. 418. 418. 612. 612. 612. 612. 98. Option A. Option A 6.5, B 7.5, C 8.5, D 9.5. Okay, 9.5. 3 minutes are only left. Chalo, we will give up to you. Chalo, 1 more minute I am giving you to solve. After that we have to discuss. 1 more minute. one more minute. Is there is anybody who has completed all? First two done. Chalo, send me the answer of first. Send me the answer of first. Satish Patel A. Meet Rathod A. Anushree Mishra A. Angshu Patel A. Raj Chavda A. Rishabh Gathani A. Yes, Rishabh Gathani A. Ravina Chaudhary A. Meet Rathod. Lock option A. Okay, any more student who want to participate? Janvi Rathod A. Sarita Gupta A. Yes, Tanvi Patel, your answer has not come. Sarita Gupta A. Chalo. A means 409.8. Okay. So this is 45 degree, this is 45 degree. So this side will be same as this side, or you can use tan 45. You can use tan 45, this will be 150 meter. Then you want to find this side, this is 150. So tan 30 will be opposite upon adjacent. Okay. So that way you will find this. Then answer is 409.8. Okay. A option is correct. Aryan Patel A. Chalo, Aryan Patel has also said A. Chalo, send me the answer of 7. Satish Patel 61.33. D option. Aryan Patel D. Anshul Patel D. Raj Chavda D. Tanvi Patel D. Meet Rathod D. Sarita Gupta D. Anushree Mishra D. Rishabh Gathani D. Very good. Meet Rathod, lock option D. Any more student want to participate? Then only we will lock the option D. Chalo, nobody want to participate more. So D means 61.33. So this is the correct option. Add all the values, divide by total number of values given, your option will be 61.33. Chalo, send me the answer of 9th. Send me the answer of, sorry, 8th one. 8th one, send me the answer. 8th one, send me the answer. 8th one. Satish Patel C, Anushree Mishra C, Angshu Patel C, whose name I have not called out. Ravina Chaudhary C, Raj Chavda C, Rishabh Gathani C, Ravina Chaudhary C, Tanvi Patel C, Meet Rathod C, Aryan Patel. Chalo, Aryan Patel, lock option C. Sarita Gupta C. Aryan Patel, you want me to lock option C. C means 8.5. Yes, absolutely correct answer, 8.5. Whenever it is median, you arrange the data in ascending order. Then n is 12, 12 is even number. So 6 plus 7 upon 2. Okay. So it will be 6 will be 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 by 2, that is 17 by 2. 17 by 2 is same as 8.5. So the correct answer is option number C, 8.5. Okay. So now we stop here. We will see no revision whenever we will meet next time. Okay. No lectures. Chalo. This was the, how many problem? How many problem we have covered in revision? 120. Chalo. 120 problem. 120 problem we have covered, and in examination you are going to get 24 questions. So 5 times we have done. So 5 times more problem we have covered in the revision. So in spite of this wonderful revision, if you all could not score 40 out of 40, then there will be question mark over my teaching. Okay. So see that you attempt all the question nicely. All the best. Again I am telling you, in question paper for each student, order of question will be different, and order of sequence of answer will also be different. Question will be same. Question will be same, answer will be same. Only the order of question and sequence of answer will be different for each and every student. Because we have done the setting random answer and random question in MICM. Random answer and random question. So option may differ for each student. Okay, answer will remain same. So attempt nicely. All the best for your exams. Bye, 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 bye. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Bye, everybody. Bye, bye. Bye. तो क्या बोलते गांड फट गई इनकी, गांड इनकी फट गई। हम लोग मैंने तो लोग देख रहे हैं ना, उनको प्रॉब्लम रिजॉल्व करने में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, उनको इशू बनाने में। अभी अभी शाम को जो है ना कावड़े उसका स्टेटमेंट लेगा पास का। वो बोलता है मैंने नहीं, किसी ने भेजा है। बोला ऐसा थोड़ी ना, तेरा मोबाइल से आया। तो अपने वो कमेटी मेंबर है नहीं, बराबर ना। तो कावड़े अपने कमेटी मेंबर उसको बुलवाएंगे, भाई तो स्टेटमेंट दे। तो पास करके कावड़े को बोला है मैंने, तो उसको उसका स्टेटमेंट ले। हम लोग की मांग रहेगी भाई इसकी जाँच करा जाओ उन्हें पुलिस स्टेशन से। एज ए एडमिन, मैं एडमिन हूँ, मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ। अगर वो डिनाई करता है, मैंने नहीं भेजा, माफ़ी मांग लेता तो ठीक है। नहीं माफ़ी मांगता तो भाई मुझे सीनियर इंस्पेक्टर से इसकी जाँच करानी। अरे लिफ्ट का हो जाएगा, लिफ्ट। अरे तुम नहीं समझ रहे, ये जो है ना शाम को वो पूरा स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड करेगा। सुनो ना, ये जो इतना हो रहा था ना, हम लोग शांत बैठा था मोदी अमित शाह की तरह। तो कल रात में कांग्रेस बोला नहीं तो रजिस्टर बोलता है, रजिस्टर जैसा बात है। तो उसको भी आया गुस्सा। वो बोला आज शाम को 8 बजे का मैं आऊँगा, स्टेटमेंट बनाऊँगा। ये लोग जो है सोसाइटी में उपद्रव करते हैं, क्योंकि मालूम अभी ये जाएगा ना इधर से, तो इसको रिपोर्ट देना है सोसाइटी का। रिपोर्ट में मार देगा ये लोगों को, ऐसे लोग है ना। इसको ऐसे कुछ मत बोलो, देखेंगे अभी पूरा अपने फेवर में आ गया। अभी क्यों नहीं वो पास कर लिख रहा है? अगर इनको लिफ्ट लोग क्या ग्रुप में देख रहे हैं कि भाई सिंगल था कि अर्जेंट मीटिंग बुलाओ, सारे मामले क्यों कर, सोसाइटी के मामलों को हल करना हमारी प्राथमिकता है। ठीक है, तो मीटिंग बुलाया तो बाकी जो लिखने वाले थे ये नहीं वो नहीं, अब वो क्यों नहीं बोल रहे कि हाँ हम लोग मीटिंग में आए। ऐसा होता है। मतलब कैसा है, पतन को क्या ट्राई कैसे करने का ना, पहले ढील लो। कल रात में इतना मेरे को गुस्सा आया था ना, मैं इसको पास्टर को ग्रुप से हटा देने वाला था। तो मैं बोला इसको हटाने से अच्छा है इसके जरिए करा, बराबर ना, अपन को कहीं के हाँ, वो बोलेगा नहीं तो तू रिक्वेस्ट कर बोलता है, और शाम को टाइम मिलेगा ना तो एक लेटर भी रेडी रखेंगे, उसको बोलेंगे कि भाई मैं एडमिन हूँ, मैं एडमिन करके देंगे कि भाई मैं एडमिन हूँ, ऐसे मैसेज आते हैं रजिस्ट्रार जैसी संवैधानिक पोस्ट पे आदमी बोलता है रिक्वेस्ट कर, मतलब जो है प्रतिकारवादी। पोस्ट की गरिमा का इन्होंने मेंटेन नहीं किया, इसलिए अगर वो डिनाई भी कर रहा है, माफीनामा नहीं मांग रहा है। हम्म, हम्म, हम्म। कैंसिल करेगा अगर तेरा मोबाइल नंबर से जाने से। हाँ तो जो रहने दो ना, इसका है तो वहीं तो तू तेरे बोलने से नहीं, तू रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट दे दो, उसकी जांच कराता है मुझसे। अपने को नाम मालूम नहीं करने का, वो मालूम है निर्मल ने उसको भेजा है, वो निर्मल ही उसका इंग्लिश राइटर है ना। नहीं रिफ्यूस्टर वाला ये वो निर्मल ने भेजा है हमारे ग्रुप को। तो वो निर्मल से लिखवाता है, फिर वो भेजता है, तो साले तू मर या निर्मल मर देंगे। अब वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन का हिस्सा कर देंगे ना, इन्वेस्टिगेशन अपन वो लोग भी बैठे रहेंगे उनके सामने, भाई इसकी जांच कराई जाएगी सीनियर पुलिस स्टेशन पर, मांगता ही हमारा प्रस्ताव है, तुम लोग हैं। बाद में उनको दबाएगा, मैं थोड़ी का मैं जांच कराऊँ, जांच करा। अरे बाकी भी बहुत आग भूत रहता भारत क्यों। मैं बोला लिख ले बच्चा, लिख ले कितना लिखता है। हाँ जब जेल देंगे तो कहीं न कहीं हटेंगे। बोला चलो मैंने आप लोग कैसा एकदम मोदी अमित शाह जी का शांत बैठे थे, उनको तो लिखते जाए। राहुल गांधी बना था, चोर है चोर है चोर है। ये अभी ग्रुप में सब लोग देख रहा होगा, वेंचर सिंह चावला ने बोला मीटिंग रखो, तो मीटिंग रख दिया। फिर बोला कि भाई सोसाइटी के मामले हल करना हमारी प्राथमिकता है, किसी को गाली गलौज नहीं करना। अब जब वो मीटिंग बुला रहा है सोसाइटी का मामला हल करने को, तो वेंचर कोई इधर वाले कोई जा ही नहीं रहे, तो ऐसा अच्छा होता है। हमारा सुनो मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, अभी जो है 1 बजे जो है ना, 1 बजे इसलिए भी दो, ये 15 मिनट का नीचे थोड़ा ऐसा राउंड करना था, हाथ में कागज दीजिए तो कर लेते हैं, 15 मिनट में वो वापस चले जाए। रुको ना नहीं तो अरे हाँ हाँ तुम 1:30 बजे सो जाना चाहिए, करीब ये 5-10 मिनट के लिए वाचमैन लोग के सामने से गुजरने का, भाई कागज दीजिए सब लेके जा रही है, क्या सिंक रिएक्टर क्या बोलते हैं, एकदम बराबर इसको में तो उड़ रहा था। ठीक है, हाँ बराबर तुमको मैं 1 बजे नहीं, 1:10। एक काम करो ना, 1:15 बजे नीचे आ जाओ, 1:15 बजे बराबर जाओ। अनिल, 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 जरा गाड़ी हो देना और इधर पैसेज में मार देना, अब कमी है। और बाकी कल मारा था करन लिया, कल मारा था, एक दिन छोड़ के मारते।
कल कहाँ मारा था? नहीं मारा था कल।
एक मार देना आज, है? मार दिया, आज मार दिया। जाते समय गाड़ी एक बार मारा ना बोलता है।
पैसा देता तो कितना? कहीं गाड़ी धोआ था?
कहीं गाड़ी नहीं धोई, भंगारी से छोड़ दी।
₹10 का
अमुक तो छोड़ो 10
लाओ सब नहीं
मास्क लगेगा।